parking in the city can be hard, and when quarters only give you a few minutes, times can be tough. Add an expensive parking ticket on top of that, and you're gonna have a bad day. How great would it be if our phones could help us avoid things like this? AwareCar is a free app for iOS and Android devices that makes your smartphone contextually aware of your car. All you need is this device. Just put it in your glove box and forget about it. The battery lasts more than a year. You can open apps as you approach, drive, and leave the car. When you approach your car, AwareCar will even show Google Maps on the lock screen for single swipe launch. If you're in a hurry, AwareCar can easily find where you last parked. You don't have to do anything. It happens automatically. If you're parked in a metered spot, AwareCar automatically asks you to enter the amount of time that you paid for. Plus, when you're too far to walk back to your car before the time is up, the app alerts you. A $10 investment to avoid expensive parking tickets makes a lot of sense.
We want to make your phone aware of its current context. Unlike other approaches that involve continuously collecting data, monitoring, or tracking users, we've designed an elegant solution using a simple device. This device uses microlocation events to let us know what context you're in.
Instead of you having to open the phone and open apps manually, what if your phone automatically takes relevant actions based on your environment and context? This device uses low energy Bluetooth, which means your phone has negligible power consumption even when the app is running in the background. The device is almost ready. However, it lacks the contextual intelligence that we need. You can control this device, turning it on or off. Once you turn it off, your phone is no longer aware of its environment.
Context awareness is more than just microlocation. Microlocation provides events based on users moving in and out of small spaces. We're building a software stack on top of microlocation events that provide context awareness. We're calling it AwareStack. The first use case we're tackling is the car. We hope to make something really useful for users in AwareCar and to learn from the experience. Eventually, we'd like to open up AwareStack to developers as well.
Here is why we need your support. We have configured the hardware correctly and are right now calibrating the signal strength to work with the car use case flawlessly.
We are working to optimize the battery life for the device and for your phone. We want to make sure that it works flawlessly even when in the glove box of your car. We've developed the prototypes, but we need your support in sizable numbers to make manufacturing possible. If we get enough support, we'd also like to design a custom phone mount as a stretch goal.
All the risks and challenges are detailed in our Kickstarter page, and we will be happy to respond to any questions you may have.
There's a lot of work required to be done and a lot of potential for these devices. We'd also like to release AwareCar for Apple Watch eventually. Make your life easier with AwareCar.